Bollywood. Have you heard of it? When you think of Bollywood, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Many people instantly connect it to Hollywood because of its catchy name. You're right. Bollywood is a fun blend of Bombay, the former name of Mumbai, and Hollywood, and it refers specifically to the vibrant film industry based in India's bustling city of Mumbai. While Bollywood is the most famous, India has several other regional film industries such as Tollywood, Kollywood, Sandalwood, and Mollywood. However, Bollywood takes the spotlight. So, why is Bollywood so well known? One key reason is its unique style, characterized by exaggerated elements. Bollywood films are known for their colourful visuals and energetic dance numbers that create a visual feast for audiences. This visual stimulation makes the viewing experience exciting and engaging. Moreover, the exaggerated storytelling often leads to hilarious and heartwarming moments that help viewers relax and enjoy themselves. The blend of drama and humour allows audiences to escape from reality and unwind, making Bollywood movies a great way to distress after a long day. The lively style and captivating stories have made Bollywood films popular not just in India, but around the world. They offer a fantastic escape from reality, allowing viewers to enjoy a mix of laughter, romance, and some catchy tunes. If you're looking for a fun way to unwind, Bollywood movies are sure to brighten your day. Let's talk about it. Conversation 1. Hey, it's finally Friday. What do you say we do something fun to unwind after this exhausting week? Baseball. Honestly, I'm so tired right now. I can barely keep my eyes open. I don't even have the energy to walk anywhere. I totally get that. How about we just chill and watch something? Maybe a Bollywood movie. Bollywood? What's that? It's the Indian film industry, mainly based in Mumbai. They're known for their colourful and lively movies. They mix music, dance, and drama in such a fun way. Sounds interesting. But why Bollywood? What makes it so special? Well, for starters, the music is super catchy. You can't help but tap your feet along, and the dance numbers are so vibrant. It really lifts your mood. For example, in Three Idiots, there's this hilarious scene where they sing about the pressure of exams while dancing in a classroom. It's so over the top and funny that you can't help but laugh. Oh, I think I've heard of that one. So, it's not just the dancing, it's the whole vibe that makes you forget your worries. Exactly. And the storylines can be quite exaggerated. In Chennai Express, there's a scene where Shah Rukh Khan's character is chased by a bunch of angry villagers, and he ends up running in a comically dramatic way, which is both ridiculous and entertaining. You definitely remember those moments. That sounds like just what I need. It's like a roller coaster of emotions, but in a good way, right? Watching a Bollywood film is a great way to relax and escape from reality. You'll find yourself laughing, dancing, and even singing along. All right, you've convinced me. Let's grab some snacks and dive into the world of Bollywood. I'm ready to forget this week. Awesome! I'll find a good one for us. Get ready for some laughs and maybe a dance-off in our living room. Conversation 2. Hey Mia, check this out. A Bollywood actor just won an award for one of their movies. Have you ever heard of a Bollywood actor winning an international award before? I always thought Bollywood was mostly about fun and over-the-top entertainment, like the dancing, comedy, big emotions. Is there more to it than that? Oh, definitely. Bollywood has its share of light-hearted stuff, but it also tackles serious topics. Have you heard of Padman? Padman, chuckles. That sounds a bit like Batman. Is it some kind of superhero story? Not quite, but in a way, he is a hero. Padman is based on the true story of a man in India who created affordable sanitary pads for women in rural areas. The movie dives into the stigma around menstruation and his journey to make a difference. Wow, I had no idea Bollywood did films like that. So, it's not just about flashy entertainment? Exactly. Padman actually helped start conversations about menstrual health, which is still a taboo subject in many places. The film inspired NGOs and social campaigns to raise awareness. Wow, that's pretty powerful. I guess Bollywood really can be a force for change, kind of like Hollywood in its own way. Exactly. Hollywood has Batman, but Bollywood's Padman shows that real heroes can make a big impact without capes. Bollywood might look flashy on the surface, but some of its films are all about connecting with people and making a difference. You know, I might have to watch a few of these. Sounds like there's a lot more to Bollywood than I thought. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.